In this lab, we'll start to take a look at how you can do more advanced data modeling tasks using the Power BI desktop. So we're talking about here, once you've pulled in some data already, how do I create relationships between those different data sources and the tables that maybe you've imported? One of the great things about Power BI compared to some other tools is that you don't need to flatten all of that data that you're pulling in into a single table. You can leave it in separate tables and just define the links between them to help make it easier to do that modeling. Of course, there's then a whole bunch of other things that you can do in terms of creating calculations and new measures and metrics that might be useful on top of your data, doing things to enhance and enrich the data by creating calculated columns as well. And then we'll wrap that up by looking at how you can use those calculations in your visualizations and how you can set up that model and optimize the model to make it even easier to build those visualizations in the future. So let's start with a look at the relationship side and the modeling, and then we'll move on to some of those other properties.